How to fix update KB5058379 failed to install in Windows 10 22H2. Hello friends, KB5058379 is the security update for Windows 10 22H2 for May 2025. If you are facing any issue installing this update, then follow the steps. Try installing this update from Microsoft Update Catalog. Go to the video description and click on the link to Microsoft Update Catalog. You will reach this page. Find the file compatible with your system. Check your system type first. Click on Start. Select Settings. Go to System. Scroll down. Click on About. This is system type, 64-bit operating system. This file is compatible with my computer. Check yours and click on download. Click on the download link. Let the download complete. Once completed, click on the File Explorer icon from the taskbar. Go to Downloads. Right click on the downloaded MSU file and select Open. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the installation. If this method doesn't work, pause and resume Windows Update. Sometimes this trick works for users. Click on Start, select Settings. Click on Update and Security. Click on Pause Updates for 7 days. When you click on this option, this will be converted to Resume Update. Click on this and check for updates. If it is downloaded, then restart your computer to complete the installation. The next method is Modify Services. Click on Search, type Services. Click on Services. Right click on App Readiness. Select Properties. The startup type must be automatic. Make sure that it is automatic on your computer. If it is not automatic, then click on this drop down and select Automatic. Service status must be running. It is stopped here, so click on Start. Click on Apply, click on OK. Right click on the App Readiness, select Restart. Now look for Background Intelligent Transfer Service. Right click on this service, select Properties, change the startup type to Automatic. Click on Start. Click on Apply, click on OK. Right click on the Background Intelligent Transfer Service, select Restart. Now come to the cryptographic services. This one, right click on this service, select Properties. Make sure that the startup type is automatic and service is running. Both are good here, so click on OK. Right click on this service and select Restart. Come to Windows Update service. From the bottom part, right click on Windows Update, select Properties. Make sure that the startup type is automatic and service status is running. If the startup type is not automatic, change it to automatic, and if the service status is stopped, click on Start. Click on Apply, click on OK. Right click on Windows Update, select Restart. Close the services window and try to install the update. Here click on check for updates. On your computer, check for updates will be apparent. If the issue still persists, run Windows Update Troubleshooter. Click on Start, Settings, go to Update and Security, select Troubleshoot, click on Additional Troubleshooters, find Windows Update and click on it. Click on Run the Troubleshooter. Pending system changes that require a reboot has been detected. Click on Next to reboot your device and then again run the troubleshooter. Follow the suggestions given by the troubleshooter and try to install the update. Reset Windows Update Cache. The next step, click on Search, type CMD, select Run as Administrator. Click on Yes on the user account control. Go to the video description. You will find these commands there. Run these commands one by one. Copy the first line of command, paste into the command prompt, press enter. Copy the second line, paste into the command prompt, hit enter. In the same way, run all these commands and then restart your computer. After restarting, try to install the update. The next method is uninstall third-party antivirus or program. Right click on Start, select Apps and Features. Find the antivirus installed on your computer. This one. On my computer, Malwarebytes is installed. Click on this software. Select Uninstall. Again click on Uninstall. Follow the on-screen instructions. On your computer, Kaspersky, Avast, Avira or any other anti-malware might be installed. Follow the same steps. Then restart your computer and check for updates. The next method is run System Files Checker and DISM tools. Click on Search, type CMD, right click on Command Prompt, select Run as Administrator. Copy the SFC scannow command from the description and paste. Hit enter. Let the scanning and verification complete. Then run DISM Restorehealth command. At last, restart your PC and then try to install the update. That's all, friends. Thanks for watching the video.